Smashing my $100 fidget spinner with my friend Tony. And what am I doing for accent? I'm gonna be throwing this fidget spinner. Okay, stop. I'm gonna be throwing this fidget spinner all the way from up there.
Guys, do you see?
Right there.
It's like right up there.
Right. I'm gonna be sitting right there, and I'm gonna throw it.
This is like
It's gonna come down. And it's gonna go.
The last video we made, well, we had to delete it because it was like freaking stupid. So like the last video, like it broke into a million pieces. Yeah, now we got a new one, and they cost $100. The last one cost like 20 or something. So like this time we're gonna like do it from a farther distance.
Look. That's how. Listen.
Nay.
That is rock solid. This might break. So,
Like if it breaks, like it would be like amazing.
okay. So, I'm not gay. I said okay. Let's take you right on to this. Let's get right on. Let's get right on to this video. We are going to be smashing the fidget spinner. $100, y'all. Are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1.
What happened, guys?
My dude! You demolished this!
Let's keep breaking.
No!
This one still spins. It still spins like this. Look. Bigger spinner. Hey, you guys want to spin it? Look. Ready? I have to do it. Just go like this. And flick.
I can't believe you! Look! It demolished! This other piece is gone!
You fixed it.
Yeah, it's just broken.
Yeah, it's demolished. But let's try to break these other pieces. Like,
Ready? How about you throw it again?
yeah.
As hard as you can. Just like chuck it down here. Oh, I found the other piece. See that piece? Then there's that piece.
Here, I catch you up there.
Okay, guys, new plan. He's gonna be throwing it from right there.
Can you go up here anymore?
Yeah, not anymore. He's only right there. He can't go up there. And already, we just kept that right here. This is the evidence. And he's gonna try to make it through right there because like he has that little hole right there. Oh God.
2. Go! Wait. Let's count down from 10. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4, 3, 2, 1, go! 4. 3, 2, 1.
You totally missed.
Yeah, but it still broke though, right?
He threw it. It went.
He
Threw it. It was still intact. He went. Boom! All over the place. Now let's see what we have with the fidget spinner left. So basically, ow.
really got like a spinner part like left.
We have.
Only this part, but it's still fun though. Like it's still fun.
Let me see if I can put it back together.
Like it's freaking.
There. I'll put it back together. No. Oh yeah. You just screwed that up. Hold on. We'll try to.